this is going to be a very long day for me. This is going to be a very long day for me. But hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Namhla, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please do not forget to tell your friends to tell their friends that it is nice this side. Okay, so today is a Friday. It is a Friday and it is 8:30 right now, and my kids left around 7:30 for school, and I've been sitting here since 7:30. I've been going through my phone and I'm just like, girl, you need to get up because you have a lot to do. Guys, I have a lot to do today, and also the house is a mess. Everything is just everywhere. Everything is just everywhere. I have laundry there that I need to fold that I did Wednesday. Yes. Pillows, kids bed there. Akumi still sleeping. I have a lot to do. I have an ironing board situation here. I was busy ironing the kids' uniform. I woke up at 6 o'clock today. I usually wake up around not half past. I usually wake up around 6:15, 10:06, 20:06. But today I woke up 6 o'clock exactly because I didn't iron the uniform yesterday. I usually prepare everything the night before, but yesterday I didn't do anything, so I woke up at 6 so that I can get everything done in time. I woke up at 6 and I made lunch boxes for the kids. I made 2 pies, right, for Ovayo and Imi. I made 2 pies, and then I woke them up, and Imi asked, Mommy, did you make the lunchbox? And I said, yes. And then she was like, what did you make for me? And I said, I made 2 pies for both of you guys. I made pies for both of you. And she was like, no, ma'am. You promised me yesterday that you are going to buy amagunya for me for the lunchbox. And I was just like, Jesus, I forgot. And I had to go and buy amagunya for her because I've been promising the whole week, and I was just like, you know what, Friday, girl, Friday, it is a day for you. You're gonna carry amagunya at school. So I was just like, you know what, let me just fulfill my promise and go and get amagunya for her. So I went to buy amagunya. They're selling amagunya right opposite here. I went to buy amagunya for her around 6:30, and yeah, so I'm gonna have a pie for breakfast. I'm gonna have that pie for breakfast, and then yeah. But Ovayo was just like, no, I don't want amagunya. I want the pie that you made. Also, Ovayo loves pie so much. Pizza and pie, his favorites. They are his favorites. But anyways, guys, yeah, let me not speak too much. Yes, we have a lot to do, and also I'm planning to undo this and go to the salon and get another cornrows freehand. Yes, I enjoyed this hairstyle so much, so I think I'm gonna get another freehand, and I have to do all of that today. It is a Friday, and also my kids are going today. They are going to spend the weekend at their grandmother's house. I am so excited. Please don't tell them that I get this excited when they are leaving. Please do not tell them that, please. But what? I'm so excited. I am so excited. They are leaving today. I'm gonna have a kid-free weekend. Did I lock the door? I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, they're leaving late today. When my husband gets here, we are going to take them to their grandmother's house. But anyways, welcome to another day. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to a brand new vloggy. I have to tidy up around this house. I just have to tidy up around, sweep and mop the floor, and I think that will be it. Yes, and wipe the mirrors, TV stand, and that's it. I don't have dishes. That's it. and made the bed, obviously. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys. This is a very long intro, and I said I'm going to stop with the long intros. And also this brush, I use this brush for Avayo's hair. I use this brush for Avayo's hair. This is what I use for shoes. This one I use it for shoes, and this one I use it for hair. Avayo's hair. I use an old shoe brush. We don't use it anymore, so I use it for Avayo's hair. And then this one I use it for shoes. But yeah, I can't speak right now. Agome is still sleeping, and he's gonna wake up very soon. Very soon. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys later.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, we go wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You can wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Hi guys, what is that? Playing. Let's wait for it to pass. Thank you. Hi guys. It's later on in the day. So after eating breakfast, I took a bath, and after that I chilled and I started folding the laundry that was there in that corner. It is super empty right now. Can you guys see? Yes. So I started folding the laundry, but I decided to fold it outside because it was so hot inside. But yeah, right now these kids are making a lot of noise. But yeah, right now it's 10:05 p.m. and we don't have electricity. Not sure if it's load shedding or what, but if it is load shedding, then it's gonna come back at 6. But if it's not, then I don't know. Okay, I'm having igunya from this morning. Why am I speaking with food? But anyways, promise. Yeah, guys, I'm just here to say hi, guys. I'm still alive, and the plan was to cook with you guys. I was going to make rice with some mincemeat, butternut, and maybe potatoes with a bit of spinach. But now that we have load shedding, or now that we don't have electricity, I'm not sure anymore if I'm gonna cook with you guys, because one thing about this house, it is so dark. Like, it is so dark. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys when the electricity comes back, because also I have 13% battery, so yeah, I need to charge my phone. Let's hope that this electricity is gonna come back at 6. Otherwise, this vlog is not going anywhere if it doesn't come back. But yeah, let me finish up my magwinya. Also, my husband is on the way, so when he gets here, we're gonna take the kids to their grandmother's house. So right now, I'm gonna sit here, eat my magwinya, and then after that, I'm gonna start packing their stuff, clothes, pajamas, all that, and wait for the electricity, wait for my husband as well. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. And also, I did mention something about taking out my cornrows. That didn't happen because of time. I didn't have enough time to do that, and I was so lazy. So I was just like, you know what, let me chill and relax, you know. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys later.
Bag is ready.
Oh, hi guys. It is later on in the day. Welcome to another day. I didn't introduce this day. Hi guys, welcome to another day. It is the next day of this vlog. It is the second day of this vlog. Today it's Saturday and it is 4:05 right now. I just came back from church. We had a women's fellowship, and it started at 12. I didn't vlog in the morning only because I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, it is another day, guys. I'm so tired. I'm so shiny. And yeah, I don't have kids. It's just me and my husband. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Peace. But anyway, yeah guys, we are going home right now, and we're gonna grab something to eat on the way and go straight home. We're so tired. I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go. having the best time of my life. Guys, perfect pizza makes perfect pizza. Like, they have the best pizza ever. They are not stingy with the, what is this, with the ingredients, if I may call it that. I don't know if I can call these ingredients, but they're not stingy at all. Like, it is meaty, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady?
Oh, hi guys. I am back home, super tired. The time right now is, what time is it? It is 10:07. Just got back right now. I'm so tired. My tired is tired. But yeah guys, right now I'm just going to change and wear my pajamas, chill, and I'm not going to show you guys the things that we got at P&B because it's not a lot of things, and also I tried to show you guys while I was shopping, while I was taking them, so I don't think it's necessary to show you guys again. But yeah, I'm just going to take off these clothes. I didn't even take a picture. Why I didn't take a picture. This was my feet. Besides that, I was wearing heels, green heels. I left them in the car. I was going to show you guys, but I left them inside the car. So I was wearing shoes at church, and then after church I changed into these slides, white slides that I got from Mr. Price. I got the dress from Ackermans, and I got the t-shirt from Legit. It is a long sleeved t-shirt, but I like it like this. But yeah, that was my fit, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Also, I don't have space. I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna change and try to finish up editing a vlog that needs to go up tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna try and finish editing that vlog. And yeah.